Hold on, Granny.
Hold on.
We're Tom and Jules, and together we are taking on our biggest challenge yet. Join us as we tackle fencing, cattle, and everything it takes to bring this land back to life.
The beast.
Who needs a new car when you can buy a buggy?
To be fair, we both need new cars, but the buggy, motorbike, fireplace, farming. Priorities. Anyway, we're going to take it for a spin. Ow! Really feel the wind in your hair now.
Hold on, Granny.
Holding on. What's that?
I didn't know if it's full drive.
Oh, you gotta stop and check that. I'm trying not to park in the tree. 5 seconds in and Tom's already trying to take me out with the tree in the side of the buggy. Mate, trying to assess if we're in 4-wheel drive or not.
I have no idea.
Does it not come up on the screen?
I ain't no full diff lock.
Oh, you've got diff light, okay, right.
No front, back diff lock. Ah, fuck, I just said it.
Okay, hey, buddy. That is a Mickey bull right there that we need to
Shoot.
Lots of our cows are out today, as in actually out in the sun, not out.
I hope they're not out.
They're embracing the sunshine. We still need to finish our tag and all of that sort of stuff, but this machine is hopefully going to help us with that because we can muscle it all up to the shed, up to the yard. Good morning.
His neck.
Yeah, what's wrong with it?
She couldn't grab by a dingo when it was
Oh,
big stars.
really? Yeah.
Bang.
Oh, poor little Moo. Oh, you're 002. Hey, darling. What are you doing? Oh.
Oh, this downhill descent thing.
Probably don't go down there.
Little bit.
No, I'd rather not die today. Well, that at pace.
Apparently this is just go downhill.
Does it help you crawl down?
No feet, no brakes.
Look, Mum, no hands.
No hands! It's the holy shit button.
Yeah, right.
It just sneaks you down at that pace. No feet on the brakes and nothing.
So that little switch there, yeah, right. Well, that's helpful. Good to know that if I get in some trouble, I can hit a holy shit button, as Tom calls it, and it'll help me coast down a very steep embankment. So that will be useful in the future, no doubt. Oh, much get shaken up like milkshake. This is probably the second time we've ever been down to the dam. When we were first looking at the property to purchase it, we come down here and there's like little baby ducklings swimming through the dam, which was super cute. I don't see any duckies this time. No duckies. Yeah, it's overflowing. For those who are curious, this is our fence line. Curious as to why there's a gate there. Do you reckon they put that there so that the neighbours can push cows back through if they get out, or
Yeah, it's always handy to have a gate.
into your neighbours?
The neighbours, yeah.
Yeah.
Driving down these dusty roads underneath the Texas sky so bold. Pickup truck and my old guitar strumming tunes neath the evening star. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky. Cowboys riding, hats held high as the moon starts to rise. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. From Nashville to Austin, down to Louisiana Bayou, country roads and honky tonks where my heart is true. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land.
I don't think I've been over to this section.
Walk down through there.
Oh, did we? Okay.
This country life I know.
Oh. This is a bit steep. Hill descent. Assistance is required.
Rolling down.
Just rolling down. I haven't even been over to the section of the property. I don't remember it, but
Hold on, Granny.
hold on.
Back roads and sunset.
Oh wait, this is still us, isn't it?
That's a good gate there.
That's a great gate. I did just suddenly have concerns at the fence. I was like, oh, that's not a very good fence, but this is still our property. So this goes from this valley to the next valley. So the property that just keeps on giving. Some of this we haven't even been able to really look at properly because we've been on foot and the weather has been so bad that you try to get through and you just can't. So anyway, Tommy is taking down the gate and we'll push through and see what else we can find.
Calling it a gate.
Oh yeah, calling it a gate is a bit of an overstatement. It's literally a piece of, what do you call those things? What's that? Star picket, thank you. I'm having a brain fart. Bit of star picket and like one piece of barbed wire. Need a new gate. Park up the buggy for a quick inspection of this back area. We haven't really been down here, so we don't really know what we're dealing with, but other than a bunch of weeds, which we've got everywhere that we need to take care of, it's a little bit steep as well, but not too bad. But essentially, if I can kind of show you where we're looking, this is pretty much the very back boundary. You can see the fence that's just over there, but that's basically our very far boundary. And then Tom's just gone for a walk down just to see what else he can find. Got some moose. So far the ranger seems to be going well, which is good. Lost my sunglasses out of it. At some point, Tom was going too fast and I dropped my sunnies on the floor and then I don't know where they went. So I must invest in some new sunglasses now. But yes, have a bit of a wander around. There is a stream or a creek that runs through this section of the property as well, which we found once before. But if we get down and find it, I'll definitely show you. Yeah, I can definitely hear running water coming through. And that's a good thing because I'm deaf in my left ear. So it is a challenge sometimes to hear everything that's going on, but I can hear water. So it must mean it's close. What did you find, Tommy?
Lots of devil's fig and a steep hill.
Lots of devil's fig and a steep hill. Awesome.
No, there's a nice little creek down there.
Yeah.
Just all that shit's in the way.
Oh, right. Okay.
And Carl with his drone carpet bombed the lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll go up to the next ridge.
To the next ridge. It needs a bit of a tidy up too, doesn't it? I thought it wasn't too bad, but it's probably one of the worst ones, isn't it?
Right, shit out everything.
Yeah. Found an old road that must have been used at some point, so I might have a look down at the creek and then we'll take the buggy back up the road and see if we can somewhat make sense of where it used to run. Our plan is at some point to get all of the roads put back in so it's much easier to get from point to point on the property, and then also push all the cattle up where we need to treat them or check on them or whatever it might be. Found this guy hiding in those weeds and then it basically runs straight back up. So the buggy's just up there, so we'll have a look at this creek and then we'll bring it back down and see where that takes us. So we have a creek, a proper creek.
Don't fall off.
So
Dead set.
Tom's telling me not to fall off here.
10 metres straight down.
Holy phrases. Oh yeah, it is too. See out there? How do you get down there?
You get on the ridge.
Okay.
If you're really fucking game,
I ain't going down there. It's like 10 metres, like straight down.
if Sambo hard enough for you, you'd jump.
There you go, Sam, challenge for you. A few beers, go for a dive.
The bomb dive, you might only just break your back on your legs.
Break your coccyx. Oh, when
Very fucking spiny.
Oh, right. Ow. Oh, good. Oh, Jesus.
Babbling brook. That's wonderful.
Does it open up out over the... So this is the other boundary.
Yeah, this is that other.
This is, okay, so this is our other boundary. So heading back down this way, someone's jumping over. Heading back down this way is where that creek was with like a 10-metre drop, but you watch me face plant trying to jump across here like Tom just did. Made it. Into the wooded forest. is pretty cool. So cool. No, you do a bondi. Swimming hole. Yay, we found our creek. So excited. In summertime, not now, but in summertime, that will be amazing. Especially if you're out fencing like all day and then you just want to go for a freshen up.
Get nude in the creek.
Go for a nudie swim.
Interesting to see how shallow it gets in, like if
How
it's still
shallow?
if it's still running in, say, September.
Yeah, true.
Interesting.
Oh God, that was a bit of a lean. Alright, let's yeah. I think the road's a little bit overgrown for taking the buggy for a spin. I need to bail out of this one and go back up the hill. Oh! Ah. I think this fence here has seen better days. Hey little puppy! Hey little buddy! Hey! Oh, mama. Yeah, she's good at her calf's cute.
I think it's hers.
What's that, sorry?
I think it's hers.
Oh, you don't think it's
I'll get
hers?
on there.
Oh, okay. That's a little bull though, isn't it? Little Mickey? Yeah.
It's a full calf.
Bull calf at the moment, yeah. Well, that's pretty good. We think with taking the buggy for its first little maiden voyage around the property, we've actually managed to muster some of the cattle up. So we didn't intentionally do that. We just kind of wanted to go and have a bit of a sticky beak and see what we could find. But some of the cattle are super keen to come up into the yard. So we think we'll let them make their way up, get them in there, and then at least that way we can tick off some more of them to add to the 25 that we'd already had done. So yeah, Tom's just kind of getting them through the first section. We've actually managed to get, looks like a couple little calves as well, which is really good. Yeah, so cattle are just starting to make their way through into the yards now. Should be able to get hopefully another 25 or so, or maybe 20 here. I don't really know how many we've got. And there is the potential, obviously, that we might have already tagged some of them, but we will
see what we can get through here.
Yeah, hopefully they cooperate. We'll see how we go.